have some very important news. Not too early because this website is actually modified with the inspection element tool. But have you ever tried to trick your teacher by pressing F11 and changing the due date of a Google Classroom assignment? Well then, my friend, you've used the inspect element tool. The inspect element tool is probably one of Chrome's most interesting features. It's a cool tool that comes in handy when you're bored, when your friend is trying to trick you, or when... Sure, this tool isn't really used for ethical purposes, but it's a fun trick to pull on your friends. So, let's start. First, you need to go out and make a friend. So, let's start. Before that, of course, go subscribe. When you visit a website, the server sends you the content in a format called HTML. An HTML file contains all the website's information, including text, headers, website name, and numbers. When you access a website, your computer renders this HTML content, which is temporarily saved on your computer. Just like editing a text file, you can edit the HTML. When you make changes to the HTML, the website's appearance updates instantly. This might be the shortest explanation I've ever given, but since the average attention span of modern internet users is shorter than their dick, that's all you need to know to start trolling everyone. Here's how simple it is. Right-click on the element you want to change, then a professional, hacker-looking window will open up. You can modify various text elements. But be careful not to edit the important code. I'm not responsible if you accidentally break your bank's login page. But yeah, double-click edit, press enter to save, and boom, you just edited an HTML file. You can experiment with different text changes. To modify something specific, right-click the word and then select Inspect to jump straight to the section you want to edit. Now I know most of you probably understand everything I've covered, so let's check out the other tabs of this inspecting window. This is the console. Unlike the Element tab, it contains JavaScript, which is actual code. It's a bit more advanced, but you can do some pretty cool stuff here too. Like for example, make a alert pop up, hack the Chrome Dino game which I talked about in this particular video, or even hack someone. Basically, it just allows you to inject a piece of JavaScript code and run it on the original website. Then we have the Sources tab, where you can see all the files this website uses, including the JavaScript, CSS, or even the HTML file itself. And now finally, before your brain starts to rot because of the length of this video, here's the Network tab. The Network tab is really just for smart people. You can see exactly what the website requested. This includes the images, the videos, or even the music. Okay, and that's your quick guide to the inspection element tool. Go show your boss or whatever, I don't care.